Students, today's topic is Mendelian disorders. Genetic disorders can be grouped into two categories. Number one, Mendelian disorders, and number two, chromosomal disorders. What are Mendelian disorders? These are due to alteration or mutation in single gene. These disorders are transmitted from the parents to their offspring, and pattern of such inheritance can be traced by pedigree analysis. Means to study them, we can use pedigree analysis. Most common examples of Mendelian disorders are hemophilia, cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, color blindness, phenylketonuria, thalassemia, etc. These disorders may be they are related as dominant or recessive, or these are present as sex linked or autosomal. Whereas chromosomal disorders, they are due to the absence or excess of one or more chromosomes, like we have done earlier in mutations. The cause of these chromosomal disorder is aneuploidy. Aneuploidy, that is non-disjunction, means failure of separation of homologous pair of chromosome during gamete formation, and the examples are Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, etc. Now we will begin with hemophilia. Hemophilia is a sex linked, as shown in NCERT. Hemophilia, it is a sex linked recessive disease, and in this disease single protein, that is a part of cascade of proteins, is involved in the clotting of blood, is affected. Like, what is a cascade system? Now suppose A converts into B in the presence of C. Now D will convert into E in the presence of B. Now in the presence of this product, F will be converted into G. In the presence of this product, will be converted into M. So this is a cascade system. Means suppose this is the whole process, and we can see if the one step is missing, then it cannot be completed. Similarly, blood clotting is a cascade process. Cascade process means जैसे अभी मैंने दिखाया ऐसे 13 स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व हैं, जिसमें से एक स्टेप एक प्रोटीन के मिस होने से जो है वो पूरा ब्लड क्लॉटिंग का प्रोसेस नहीं हो पाता. दैट इज द 8th प्रोटीन. एंड द पर्सन हु सफ़र फ्रॉम हीमोफिलिया, उनमें क्या होता है, क्या है इस डिजीज़ में कि इवन अ स्मॉल कट in the body that leads to the bleeding of the whole blood from the body, and it can also lead to death also. For a female to be, this is a sex linked disease. If the genotype of female is XX, she is normal. If the female is XH and X, means XH means she has one gene for hemophilia, she will be called carrier. Otherwise she will be normal, but she will be carrying the gene for the disease. XY is normal male, and a male to become hemophilic, even if one gene is present, then it will be hemophilic male. And females will be hemophilic if this will be the condition, that is XH, XH. This is very rare. For a hemophilic female to be born, what is required? A carrier mother and a hemophilic father. And this is also known as a royal disease, because this hemophilia is seen in the family of Queen Victoria, which shows the number of hemophilic descendants, because the Queen Victoria, she herself was the carrier of the disease. लेकिन जब अब आपको एग्ज़ाम में क्या आएगा, क्रॉसेस आएंगी, तो ये सेक्स लिंक डिसऑर्डर है, तो आपने और कोई क्रोमोसोम नहीं लेने. हम हीमोफिलिया और कलर ब्लाइंडनेस के लिए या किसी भी सेक्स लिंक डिसऑर्डर के लिए क्रॉस में क्या लेंगे, XX एंड XY जीन्स लेंगे. Now a cross between a normal female, चल बंद कर दे,